Do you remember the black sacks, the calyx, cornflakes, cutter packs, the costumes, the masks, they were all DIY? Yet nothing compared to the gas that we had as we traipsed round the houses decked out in our cloud. I dressed as a banshee, the fairy woman renowned, the keening and shrieking, no better will be found. The living talks, the dead walks, the devil knows who else got. We were all covered up from our head to our toes. At the bonfire, tall neighbours met one and all. That's a fine raging fire, says Mrs. Finnegan. We burnt old wood and new wood and dry rot and whatnot, and we hoped that the flames would die down by morn, be God. There were ghosts, net curtains and witchy boos, duffel coats, white sheets, spooky men and all. We had great fun that night, but rotten fruit the next morn, on the night that we met at the bonfire tall. Mrs. Burns was a house that you couldn't leave out. There was apples with toffee and sprinkles and all. The fruit was the finest, monkey nuts filled with kindness. Mum's tasty cold cannon, it would bring such delight. We knocked on each door, plastic bags opened wide. The woman of the house, she took it all in her stride. There was apples and oranges and colored grapes galore. All that food in our bellies, we couldn't take any more. At the bonfire, tall neighbours met one and all. That's a fine raging fire, says Mrs. Finnegan. We burnt old wood and new wood and dry rot and whatnot, and we hoped that the flames would die down by morn, be God. There were ghosts, net curtains and witchy poos, duffel coats, white sheets, spooky men and all. We had great fun that night, but rotten fruit the next morn, on the night that we met at the bonfire tall. The apple was hung in the doorway with string, the basin, the coins we all had to win. Yet not much compared to Mom's great barmbrack. We all took our slice and we gobbled it back. I scoffed a large piece for the rain to find, and the brown paper parcel appeared in me mind. There was spluttering and fluttering and all sorts of scuttering, and the barmbrack was left for the games to rewind. At the bonfire, tall neighbours met one and all. That's a fine raging fire, says Mrs. Finnegan. We burnt old wood and new wood and dry rot and whatnot, and we hoped that the flames would die down by morn, be God. There were ghosts, net curtains and witchy poos, duffel coats, white sheets, spooky men and all. We